Alright, today we are making whipped brown butter. This is a very easy recipe. You just need 2.5 sticks of butter, some bread to put it on, and then a bowl and a second bowl that you will put ice in. We're going to melt the butter down here in a small saute pan or a regular pot, whatever you have. I'm going to use my all-clad pot here and pop in that butter and just start mixing it around, helping it all melt. The goal here is not to burn this butter, so you do need to tend to it fairly often throughout the process, but it is fairly easy to not burn. Keep mixing, helping that butter melt down. Keep the heat fairly low at this point. And you want to get it to right about there once everything's melted. You don't want it boiling, you want it barely simmering. Those milk fats will come to the top, and those are the key to making this brown, is those will cook and sink to the bottom, browning the butter. There you can see them starting to turn a nice kind of brown caramelized color. Keep moving around, they'll stick to the bottom of the pot and burn, so you don't want that to happen. Keep moving these around. Right about there you can see the milk fats starting to sink. That's what you're looking for. Just keep moving them around still there. That's not the color you're looking for quite yet. Right about there is what we're going for. The milk fats are no longer on the top. You can see them now sitting along the bottom of the pot. They're browned. They're not burnt yet, but they're starting to stick, so you do want to be careful. This can go from brown to burnt rapidly. That's the point we're going to pull them off. You can see as I pour it out, the bottom does start to have a little burnt patch, so this was the perfect point to remove them. Just scrape out all those milk fats, and you're going to get to whisking. This took about 5 minutes of continuous whisking, which is a real pain in the arm, so be prepared for that. Sped it up here just so you don't have to sit here for 5 minutes, but it comes together fairly quickly, and you can see it goes from like that brown color to almost egg yolk mayo-y, and then it will form a fairly nice, soft, whippable butter. Right there's the point you're looking for. Keep moving around a little bit. Throw your bread in the oven at this point and toast it up, and you're left with that. Scoop out a nice little bit of it, throw it on a plate, sprinkle a little bit of salt over the top, and give it a taste. You don't really need to salt this in the actual recipe itself. A little bit over the top is nice, but see how soft and spreadable it is. This is just perfect. You can see in the butter the little bit of like caramelized brown bits from the milk fats. They spread throughout the butter, and it's delicious. Give it a try. Let me know what you think.